very good morning, students. My 12th standard students, I'm giving a revision to you of what the thing is coming in the unit 2. Okay, beta. And one thing more, I am using this book all in one. Second thing is this, what the matter I have given to you in your copy of alcohol, phenol, ether, aldehyde, and ketone, because these things are coming in the paper. So please try to learn all these things. Only a revision I'm going to tell you. First of all, alcohol and phenol. Alcohol we are using here OH, understood? Alcohol we are using here OH, what they are saying, an alcohol contain one or more hydroxyl group, means OH group is in more amount directly attached to carbon atom. This OH is attached to the carbon. We see it of an aliphatic system like CH3OH, where a phenol contains OH group. Okay, it means solid. It is directly attached to carbon atom. They are phenol is directly attached to carbon atom. If we will make a diagram of the phenol, it is OH will come on the upside, ortho side. Methanol, you can say CH3OH. Ethanol, two carbons are present. Methane, ethane, ethanol. Understood, beta? After this, we are using various other things, dihydric, trihydric. These are the symbols of it, means structure. Then classification of monohydric change into primary, secondary, tertiary. Alkylic group, what it is, in this one sp3 hybridization takes place, and this is the example, primary example of OH group. Next is the secondary example of OH, tertiary example of OH. Next, we are saying about benzyl alcohol. In this, the structure formation gives like this. Nomenclature of alcohol. Now, beta, one thing is more, if the preparation is coming, nomenclature is coming, these are important one. Fine. Then you can see in this one page, nomenclature of phenol also started. You can see it. You can see this thing. Nomenclature of phenol is started. Means is this first one phenol co O crystol. This one is O am crystol, because am will come here, O will come here. Okay, understood, beta? And IUPAC name, what we are saying for this thing, we are saying for this one as a phenol, as before also common name phenol. In this O glycerol, in this 2 methyl, because here methyl group is present, 1 2 2 methyl phenol, and this one is am-glycerol and 3 methyl phenol. Okay, beta? 3 phenyl methyl is coming here. Some examples are there. You can do it. Those examples. After this preparation, you can see this full page. If you want to do this one also, you can complete it. First, I am coming on the preparation of alcohol from by acid catalyzed hydration. Already it is given in your copy. What the things I have given in your copy, that is most important. Okay, so only revision work I am giving here. This one COOH, this is coming as like this structure. Now next is we are giving more structures to you. Hydroboration oxidation, we can say boron react with alkene to give trialkyl borans as addition product, which upon substitute addition with alkaline H2O to give molecule, give alcohol. Fine. So these are the structures of it. After this, from carbonyl compounds, we can say addition of H2 in the presence of a finally divided catalyst. It is divided into finally catalyst, and these are the structures. Structures will take place as lithium aluminium oxide. Fine. By reduction of carboxylic acid, beta, what the things I have given copy. Grignard reagent is very important. You can complete it. Preparation of phenol is also be done by the three things, from benzene sulfonic acid, from haloarenes, this is called as Dow process, diazonium salts from cumene. These things, physical properties of phenol, you can find out the physical property, what is the boiling point, melting point, what is solubility here. So this thing you can complete it in your revision. Fine. After this, it will come esterification. Esterification is very important. Esterification will come. Next, we are talking with reaction with phosphorus trihydride, dehydration. Dehydration examples are like this. What they are saying in the dehydration, alcohols undergo dehydration. Removal of a molecules to form alkenes. Means the molecules will remove and it form a alkene on treating with protetic acid H2SO4. Protetic acid, what is coming? Protetic acid is coming as H2SO4. Before this protetic acid, we are using here H2SO4. Okay, beta, so don't be confused in this one. Or H3PO4 as a catalyst, such as anhydride ZnO2 or Al2O3. This is the process. Okay, this is you can complete it in this one chemical, physical, all the things are coming. Mechanism is very very important. Okay, so this time we are giving you the optional na? In a optional also you have to find out that what is alkene, what is alkyne, and what is other things also. Fine, so you can see this one, some are important here, some are not important. Next is electrophilic, very important it is, electrophilic substitution. The ortho-para isomerism can be separated by steam crystallization. So what we are saying, those are putting na here ortho-para. So they are steam volatile due to form are intermolecular. Why this? When they are heating it form a intermolecular. Hydrogen bonding while p-nitrophenol is less volatile due to association of molecules by intermolecular H bonding. O-nitrophenol is structure like this which is of intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Next is this, we are using here Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Already I have given in your naming of reaction, by that you can do. Next we are talking about the Riemer-Tiemer reactions. This also I have completed in your copy in the reactions one. Fine. Now you can see this thing. This thing is very easy. Do by yourself. Only this one they are asking properties, uses, ethanol properties, uses, how they are prepared. Okay. Next we are talking about after the phenol, we are talking about the aldehyde now. Now beta in a aldehyde group what we will do? We are using here, this is the main structure of it, aldehyde means C double O, C double bond O is coming. Okay. R alkyl group is present here, that's why we are saying it is a ketone. Carboxylic ROH group is present, that we are saying carboxylic acid. The carbonyl group is one of the most important functional group in organic. This chapter will expose the reactivity of this functional group. Many of things written in aldehyde and ketone. These are the structures of aldehyde and ketone. Nomenclature of it, very important. It will come, sure it will come nomenclature. IUPAC name, when we are asking the IUPAC name, you can give the name. One time I will give to you like this. 1, 2, methane, ethane. Okay, it is a ethane. Ethane will come. But here OH group is present. By the O is present. So what we will say? It is ul, ethanol. Okay, same others also we are doing. Means if I will ask to you, I have made the product and I am asking to you what is the name of it, or what I have done, I have given this name 3 bromo 2 methyl and I have said to you to make a structure of it. Okay, and from any side I will ask to you aldehyde and ketone. And one thing very very important, what the things I have given in a copy, that was very easy. Preparation of aldehyde was done by the alcohol. In alcohol, you know very well that OH group is present. But when we are speaking to it, we are saying ethanol, methanol, all is coming at the back side. Okay. Carboxylic acid. Okay. Hydrocarbons are present by ozonolysis. Already I have given to you. This one diagrams also you can see one time. Preparation of aldehyde. Is this a compulsory preparations? Preparations are very important. Okay. You can see uh, this is you do by yourself. Because why it is so? Because this is not coming in the paper. Okay, next is preparation of ketone. This is the preparation of ketone was done by the cadmium on alkyl chloride. By this we can do. After this, from benzene or substitution reaction, we are making this physical state boiling of aldehyde is present here. After this, solubility will come on this one side, alcohol. Chemical reactions will start by the nucleophilic. At that time, we are studied at substitution reaction. So in this one, important thing is inductive effect and steric effect. Okay. So again and again, I am telling to you, please try to learn it from the my notes. Okay, what I have given the notes. Then you can open the. Now next is the tolerance reagent, what it is, what is failing reagent, what it is. Okay. So tolerance reagent is an ammonical solution. When an aldehyde is heated with the prepared tolerance solution, a bright silver produced due to formation of silver metal. Okay, beta. So aldehyde is react with tolerance reagent. It form in the heating process. It form as silver mirror. Failing test, when an aldehyde is heated with failing reagent, reddish brown precipitate is obtained. Fine. Now next we are talking about the test of banded test. Very important test. In a banded test, what we have to do, like banded solution is an alkaline solution. Banded solution is an alkaline solution of Cu2 are exposed with citrate ion, whereas failing solution is an alkaline solution of copper ions complex tetrate. Bandic solution react in the way of failing solution. Fine, beta. So in this one you can learn it. You can learn it from your copy also, or you can use your uh, own method also. Okay, aldol condensation already we have given in the naming. Cross aldol condensation, you have to learn this thing that in a ketone what the things are coming, in a aldehyde what the reactions are coming. Only you have to learn this thing, that Grignard reagent is coming in which one, or Dreamer is coming in which one, aldol condensation is coming in which one. Okay, Canizaro is coming in which one. Only this much actually already I have completed this thing, uses of aldehyde and ketone. Okay, beta. After this, carboxylic is also be there. So a little bit you can complete it as nomenclature, physical state, and biophysical, chemical properties, uses of it, and preparation of it, and naming of it of carboxylic. Till here it will come in your paper. And one thing more, students, this is I am giving a revision to you. After the revision, your paper is on 23rd. Maybe on 23rd, I will not be here. That's why fastly I'm giving a revision work to you. So I'm better that you can learn these things. And what the written I have given from my notes, that is very, very, very important. Okay, beta? So you see it from the book also, or you can see it from the copy also. Both the things you can use. If you have a ABC, then from the ABC also you can complete it. Some students having all in one by that also. Then some students having after ABC, some students having a Vidya. What the thing is there? Okay, by that you can learn it. Okay. So thank you, students, and have a nice day.